Hello my dear students, today we will discuss about the chapter number first, rational number between the two rational numbers, because in previous classes I have already discussed or complete the rational number, definition of a rational number, and some property related to a rational number. Property means closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property for addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So now today we will continue the next part of the rational number. So next part is a rational number between two rational numbers. There are two or more methods to calculating the two rational numbers between two rational numbers. So first method is given here. First method, how to calculate its rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Question are given. Find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Calculate the one rational numbers, like as only one rational number between this number. So it's a simple method. There are one formula related to this. If a and b two rational number, a and b two rational numbers, first number is a and second one is b, so calculating the only one rational number between the two numbers, so directly you can write a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2. Here are the first method to calculating the one rational number between two numbers. A and b are two rational number is given here. So calculate the only one rational number between this number. So it's a formula, calculating the one rational number is equals to a plus b by 2. Okay, now clear this formula and use this formula. Give the some examples to use this formula. So first example is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Calculate one rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So calculating its rational number is equals to a plus b. Value of a is equals to 1 by 2 and the value of b is equals to 1 by 3. It's b. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 6 divided by 2 is equals to 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12 is the one rational number between this number. It's a some example. You can calculate another examples like as a 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Calculate the one rational number between this number. So 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is a rational number between these number. So next point is, if this formula useful for calculating the only one rational number, but if a question are asking, so calculate the more than one rational number between this number, like as a question is asking, the number is given 2 and 3. Number is given 2 and 3 and calculate this number between these rational number. Calculate the two rational number between these number. Two rational number. Calculate the two rational number between this number. So how to calculate this number? So first 2 and 3, between 2 and 3 calculate the two rational number. So first motto, check its denominator. Number is given here 2 and 3 only. So first target to check its denominator. Denominator is equal. If denominator is equal, so check it how many rational numbers will find. How many rational number? So question are asking the two rational number. If calculating the two rational number, so multiply its denominator and numerator by n plus 1, means 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So multiply its numerator and denominator is 3. 3 upon 3. Similarly, another also first and second number same, multiply by 3 its denominator and numerator. So 2 3 ja is equals to 6 upon 3 and 3 3 ja is equals to 9 upon 3 3 ja is equals to 2 upon 1 multiply by 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 1 multiply by 3 upon 3. So its answer is 2 3 just 6 upon 3 and its answer is 9 upon 3. So in between there are two rational numbers exist. It means 6 after the completing the 6 then 7 by 3 and 7 by 3 and next one is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So it's a two rational number between this number. It's a method to calculating the more than two rational number between this number. But this formula is useful for only if denominator is equal. In this case, denominator is equal. Take the another example which denominator is equal. It's your homework. So number is given 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Calculate 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Calculate the three rational number between this number. Three rational number. Calculate the three rational number between this number. It's your homework. It's your homework. Calculate the between these number. Two or three rational number. So next point or next method to continue to calculating the more than two rational numbers between this number, but if denominator is not equal. So take the some examples. Example is taking the another example is now take the example if the denominator is not equal, so first number is 1 by 2 and second one is 1 by 3. So how to calculate the rational number between four rational number between this number? Four rational number. So how to calculate the two or more rational number between this number? So first calculate its check the denominator. Denominator is not equal. So how to calculate this rational number? So first calculate its denominator. So its denominator is given here. Okay, now check it the denominator. So first is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Denominator is not equal. So first motto is equal the denominator. So how to equal? So multiply its denominator and numerator is multiply by 3 and it's multiply by 2. So both is 3 by 6. This is 3 by 6 and this is a 2 by 6. It means both are equal. If both are equal, so calculate the four rational number between this number. Four rational number. So if calculating the 4 n rational number, so multiply its denominator and numerator by n plus 1. So in this situation, calculating the four rational number, so multiply its 4 plus 1 means 5 by 5. Another also 5 by 5. So 5 3 is 15 upon 30 and 5 2 is 10 upon 30. 5 2 is 10 upon 30 and 15 upon 30. So you can write the in between this number there are four numbers exist here. So first one is 11 by 30, second one is 12 by 30 and third one is 13 by 13 and fourth one is 14 by 30. It's a four rational number between these numbers. So in this situation or a critical situation, so calculating the more than two rational numbers between this number, so first target to calculate its denominator. It means equal the denominator. If you can the denominator is equal, if we will equal the denominator, so you can calculate the many rational numbers between this number. Similar process in the previous case. So I hope all the students have cleared this concept. So I will give the once more questions to solve this question. Once more question related to this property. So first next one is question is 2/5 and 7/3. Calculate the four rational number between these number. Four rational number. Calculate the four rational number between these number. Four rational number. So how to calculate the four rational number? It's the same method. So first calculate its denominator. Denominator is equal. Check if the denominator is not equal. So calculate multiply its denominator and numerator. So it's multiply by 3 and it's multiply by 5. So 7 5 ja 35/15 and 2 3 ja 6/15. So in both situation denominator is equal. So you can write now directly because 6/15 and 35/15. So you can write directly, not to need for multiplying the n plus 1 number. Not need, because 6/15 and 35/15 in between many of the numbers exist. So 7/15, 8/15, 9/15, 10/15, many of the rational number. So if we have already taken or we have already found this number, though there is no need for multiplying its n plus 1 number. It's not necessary to multiply its n plus 1 number. So it's a simple, you can write directly answer. There are three methods only. First method is I have to calculate the one rational number between these numbers. So formula is a plus b by 2. So if the calculating the more than rational number between two numbers, so first process is the first method is equal the denominator. So if a denominator is not equal, so you can calculate the first equal the denominator, then after equaling the denominator, so multiply its n plus 1 number, it's the denominator and numerator. So you can calculate the n rational number between these number. It's a very easy formula to calculating its denominator and numerator are rational numbers. So now complete the today's session. Next day I will discuss the remaining part of the rational numbers. Okay, thank you student.